Today we'll be making Zuppa Toscana. It's one of Olive Garden's most beloved soup, featuring creamy broth filled with savory Italian sausage, tender potatoes, and fresh kale. This easy, restaurant-style soup is perfect for cozy dinners and meal prepping. Whether you are craving a comforting bowl of soup on a chilly day or looking for a quick and delicious homemade version, this Zuppa Toscana recipe is a must-try. Before we start, subscribe to my channel below for more simple and flavorful recipes that you can make at home. To my subscribers, thank you for your support. First, peel and dice our onion. We need about 2 cups. Then we chop our garlic. We need between 2 to 3 tablespoons garlic, depending on your preference. Then we cut 5 to 6 bacon into small chunks and fry until crispy and reserve the fat. Or you can bake in the oven and reserve the fat. I'll show you how I bake mine in future episodes. Heat up your pan and add 1 pound Italian sausage. I like to use hot Italian sausage. You can use any type, mild or sweet if you don't like hot, and any brand you like. But I found the Johnsonville brand more flavorful than the Kroger brand. Brown the sausage and drain the fat. Now we wash and slice 3 to 4 red potatoes or 2 cups. You can add more if you like, then soak them in water to prevent discoloration. Wash your kale and separate the leaves from the stem. We'll use about a bunch of kale depending on how big it is, then we need to cut the kale into smaller sections. Heat up a large pan and add the bacon fat. Add the onions and saute until they are softened. Add the brown sausage and saute briefly. Then we add potatoes. Add 4 cans chicken broth, black pepper, salt, and 3 tablespoons chopped garlic. Cook until the potatoes are tender. Prepare 2 cups heavy cream or whipping cream. At this time, I start toasting my bread in the oven. Pour the heavy cream in a pan. When the soup is heated through, add the kale and cook the kale briefly. Also at this time, you can adjust the soup to your desired consistency. You can add more broth or cream depending on your preference, and also adjust the salt and pepper. Now your soup is ready. Thank you for watching and I see you next time.